Hi folks, so I thought I would add this little bit to the start of the vlog to explain how I got to be shooting infrared photography with the Panasonic FZ82. So a while back, while I'd certainly been watching other people's infrared photography vlogs and enjoying them, I hadn't thought about using the Panasonic FZ82 to shoot infrared with. However, it was a few weeks ago I got a message through my Facebook page from one of my YouTube viewers who said he was considering buying a Panasonic FZ82 and he'd like to shoot infrared with it, but he wasn't sure if it was up to the job. Now that sounded like a challenge to me, so of course I was immediately looking for a IR filter to use with the Panasonic FZ82 and to see if indeed you can shoot infrared with the FZ82. So one last thing before we head over to Goodiford Lakes in Devon, where I shoot these images, is to say that if you need to know how to process these images, then certainly I can put together a vlog. However, there are plenty of other people who've done these already, and certainly things like creating a DNG profile for Photoshop. I'll put a link to the video I watched to show me how I got to do that. And yeah, over to me now at Goodiford Lakes. Well, good morning YouTube. In today's vlog I thought we were going to try to do a little bit of infrared photography. The sun's quite bright, there is some cloud in the sky. Sadly it is a little bit windy, which may cause a little bit of movement in the images, but I thought we'd give it a go anyway. So this morning, again, the subject's going to be the fishing lake and plenty of water, plenty of cloud in the sky and some trees, plenty of foliage. Should be quite good for a little bit of infrared. There are two ways to obviously shoot infrared. You can either go for an expensive camera conversion to change it over to full spectrum and then just use an infrared filter to try and cut out everything bar the infrared signal. What I've done is to go for a Zomei filter. This I think is the 720, so anything below 720 nm gets taken out and only the infrared signal above that gets through to the camera. Now when you take those shots, what you find is the image appears in the back of the camera really red, and then you have to alter that in post-processing. So this is the shot I'm going for. This tree which leans over slightly, it's good reflection into the water, and we've got some good clouds in the sky. Hopefully we'll get a nice image. Try a different composition with this willow tree here and see what that image looks like. As if by magic, the sun's just gone in. However, I'll talk about the camera settings while we're waiting for the sun to come back out. So camera settings, well, I'm just taking a shot there now. We're using ISO 80 on a 4-second shot, f2.8, and using a 10-second timer to eliminate any shake I'm getting with the little pack pod lightweight tripod. So famous last words, and this is going to be the final composition of the day, or is it? I've got the pack pod there set up on a little bit of a wooden stump overlooking the lake, and you've got all these purple flowers. Not that you'll see the purple flowers when it's in infrared, but they should be a nice bright white colour, or at least the leaves of the plants will be. Not sure what colour the purple flowers are going to be, but that's half the fun with infrared. So that's pretty much it for infrared photography. As ever, if you really enjoy this video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel an awful lot. And if you're not a subscriber, then why not subscribe to the channel? It is free, it doesn't cost you a penny, and you get to see more great videos. If you'd like to help out the channel financially, then by all means use the Buy Me a Coffee link I've got in the description below, and you can leave a donation there. It helps me produce more videos like this. And once again, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Bye for now.